Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling virtualization in BIOS. That lets the host run a VM efficiently. Once done, allocate resources: 4 plus GB RAM, 64 plus GB storage, and at least 2 CPU cores. This prevents sluggish performance. Make sure to download the official Windows 11 ISO and pick a hypervisor now, such as Hyper-V, VirtualBox, or VMware Workstation. Then, create a new virtual machine and point it at the ISO so the installer will boot. This starts the installation sequence immediately. You will follow the Windows 11 installer. Choose language, accept terms, and pick the GPT disk partition for UEFI compatibility. Once the OS installs, make sure to install guest editions or VMware tools for proper drivers, shared clipboard, and dynamic screen resolution. That solves keyboard and mouse quirks. Then configure the VM's network. NAT gives internet with isolation. Bridged attaches the VM to your LAN. Finally, adjust display scale and virtual hardware to match your workflow for smoother operation. You finish by installing updates, activating Windows, and creating a snapshot. Snapshots let you revert if something breaks. Once done, set up shared folders and automated backups for the VM image to protect your work. Make sure to optimize power and update settings so the VM resumes reliably. If the VM fails to boot, check virtualization is still enabled in BIOS, confirm secure boot settings match the hypervisor, and reinstall guest tools if drivers are missing. That usually resolves boot and device problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.